Welcome to our video on top DIY tools and outdoor gear you need for your home and fishing adventures. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a fishing lover, or someone looking to improve your home projects, this video is packed with the latest tools and gear that can make a big difference in your work and leisure time. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Color Pen White Tile Refill. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to restore your tiles and grout, the Color Pen White Tile Refill Grout Pen is exactly what you need. This versatile pen is perfect for repairing scratches, discoloration, and minor damage on various types of tiles. Its non-toxic formula ensures it's safe for use around children and pets, making it a great option for family homes. The pen's durable, waterproof finish stands up to daily wear and tear, keeping your tiles looking fresh and clean. The application process is simple, with just 4 easy steps. It's designed to fill in grout lines, sealing them with a protective barrier that resists mold and mildew growth. This feature is especially useful for bathrooms and kitchens, where moisture can cause grout lines to stain and deteriorate over time. Whether you're dealing with porcelain, ceramic, or other types of tiles, this grout pen offers long-lasting results that keep your surfaces looking pristine. Number 5. Huepar 16 Lines Laser Level. For anyone involved in tiling, flooring, or general DIY projects, the Huepar 16 Lines 4D Green Beam Laser Level is an indispensable tool. With 16 green laser lines, this laser level provides enhanced visibility, making it easier to level and align tiles and other materials precisely. It offers both horizontal and vertical accuracy, with a range of up to 40 meters, and even further when paired with a detector. The laser level is powered by a built-in Li-ion battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous operation, making it ideal for long workdays. Its IP54 rating ensures it's dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof, so you don't have to worry about damaging it during tough jobs. Whether you're tiling a bathroom, Number 4. Tile Spacer Set. Achieving perfect tile alignment is essential for a professional-looking finish, and that's where the 50 PCS/set level wedges tile spacers come in. These spacers are designed to prevent tiles from moving while they cure, ensuring an even, seamless finish every time. Made from durable PP and stainless steel materials, they're built to last and can be used on both wall and floor tiles. This set includes 50 spacers, making it an affordable and practical solution for all your tiling needs. They're easy to use, and with their precision design, you can avoid common tiling mistakes like uneven gaps or misaligned tiles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tile spacers are essential for keeping your projects precise and efficient. Number 3. Raizi Diamond Grinding Wheel. For those working with stone, granite, or marble, the Raizi Vacuum Brazed Hand Profiler Wheel is a must-have tool. This diamond profile grinding wheel is designed for use with an angle grinder and is perfect for beveling and profiling edges on various types of stone. It offers dual-use capabilities, making it suitable for both wet and dry applications, providing flexibility depending on your project needs. The wheel's vacuum braze technology ensures superior durability, while its high-speed performance, with an optimal range of 3,500 to 4,000 RPM, makes grinding quick and efficient. Number 2. KastKing Fishing Gloves. When you're out on the water, protection from the sun is just as important as your fishing gear, and the KastKing fishing gloves offer exactly that. With SPF 50 sun protection, these gloves are designed to keep your hands safe from harmful UV rays during long hours of fishing or other outdoor activities. Made from breathable polyspandex, they offer a snug fit that stretches in all directions, providing comfort and flexibility. The ergonomic microfiber palm provides an excellent grip, allowing you to easily handle fishing gear or bait. The gloves also feature 3/4 finger coverage, which ensures protection while still allowing for dexterity to tie knots or remove fish hooks. The extended cuff provides additional sun protection up to your sleeves, ensuring your arms are covered as well. Whether you're fishing in the lake, ocean, or river, these gloves will help you stay protected and comfortable while enjoying your time outdoors. Number 1. Obei Feeder Fishing Rod. For any serious angler, the Obei Feeder Fishing Rod is a top choice. Available in sizes 3.0 m, 3.3 m, and 3.6 m, this telescopic spinning casting travel rod is designed to perform in a variety of environments, from rivers to reservoirs, ponds, and even ocean beach and rock fishing. Made from high-quality 30T carbon fiber, the rod is incredibly durable and lightweight, providing both strength and sensitivity during your fishing sessions. The Obei feeder rod features solid carbon fiber tips with different color codes to indicate their flexibility, green being the softest, yellow being medium, and red being the hardest. This allows anglers to choose the right tip based on the weight of the bait or the type of fish they are targeting. With its fast action and ergonomic design, the Obei feeder fishing rod provides precision, comfort, and control, making it a must-have for both novice and experienced anglers alike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.